Understanding the role of a career counselor. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of career counseling. Whether you're planning your career path or seeking guidance at any stage of your professional journey, understanding what a career counselor does can be incredibly beneficial. Let's explore this together. A career counselor is a professional who specializes in advising people on their career choices. They help individuals understand their skills, strengths, and interests to make informed decisions about their professional paths. Career counselors don't just provide advice. They are also trained to administer and interpret aptitude and personality tests, providing a more in-depth insight into suitable career options. You might wonder, when should I consult a career counselor? The answer is, almost any time during your professional journey. Whether you're a student unsure about your future career, a professional considering a career change, or someone looking to re-enter the workforce, a career counselor can provide valuable guidance and support. Career counselors offer a range of services. These include career planning, helping you map out a career path based on your interests and abilities. Resume and cover letter assistance, guiding you in creating effective resumes and cover letters. Interview preparation, offering tips and practice for job interviews. Job search strategies, teaching methods to find suitable job opportunities. Networking advice, helping you build professional connections. Consulting a career counselor can have many benefits. It can lead to increased self-awareness, clarity in career goals, improved job search skills, and greater confidence in making career decisions. Essentially, a career counselor acts as a supportive guide in navigating the complex world of careers. We hope this video has shed light on the important role of career counselors and how they can assist you in your career journey. Remember, seeking guidance from a professional can be a valuable step in achieving your career goals. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.